Okay, so you've built the file, it's clean, the numbers work, and then someone opens it and types over your formula. Yeah, this is the tab that stops that. Excel's Review tab. 5 groups, 20 plus tools, and 9 shortcuts. Stay till the end, the last one saves you every time. Here's the whole tab in one picture. Proofing checks your spelling and tells you what's actually inside the workbook. Accessibility and language make it readable for everyone. Comments are proper conversations on a cell. Notes are the old sticky notes. And protect is where you lock the door. Start simple. Hit F7 and Excel spell checks the entire sheet. 4 seconds. It has saved me from sending a report with total revenue more than once. Shift F7 opens the thesaurus if a word isn't landing. And workbook statistics? That one's quietly brilliant. Every cell, every sheet, every formula. Counted. Now check accessibility. It scans your file and tells you what a screen reader can't read. Missing alt text, blank headers, bad color contrast. If you send files to anyone outside your team, run it. Translate turns a cell into another language right there. And Smart Lookup pulls a web search on whatever cell you've selected. Comments, not notes, comments. Control-Shift F2 and you get a threaded conversation attached to that cell. Your colleague replies underneath. You reply back. It's a chat in a spreadsheet. Show Comments opens the side panel so you can see every thread at once. And when a question's answered, you hit Resolve. It stays there, just grayed out. And when there are 40 of them, you don't hunt. Previous and Next walk you through the whole sheet, comment by comment, in order. Delete removes the thread for good. Alt-RD if you want it gone fast. Notes are the old school ones, that little yellow sticky, the red triangle in the corner. Shift F2. Nobody can reply to a note, so it's really for yourself, a reminder. Show All Notes pins them all open, and if you've inherited an ancient file full of them, Convert to Comments upgrades the whole lot into proper threads. Right, the important bit. Protect Sheet locks the cells so nobody can touch your formulas. Protect Workbook goes one level up. No adding sheets, no deleting sheets, no renaming. And Allow Edit Ranges? That's the smart one. You pick which cells stay open, and everything else stays frozen. Once it's locked, the same button flips to Unprotect Sheet. Protect and Share lets you track who changed what. And Ink, if you're on a touchscreen, you can literally draw on the sheet with a pen. Quick warning though, Protect Sheet stops accidents. It is not a password vault. Don't put salary data behind it and call it secure. So here's my 5-step check before any file leaves my hands. Spell check with F7, run check accessibility, clear out the old comments, unlock the cells people need to type in, Control-1, untick locked, then protect the sheet. That's it. Learn these 9 keys and you'll never open this ribbon again. F7, Shift F7, Shift F2 for a note, Control-Shift F2 for a comment. Alt-R jumps straight here. And remember the big one. Every cell is locked by default, so you have to unlock the inputs before you protect or nobody can type anything. Data cleans your file. Review protects it. View tab next. Follow AR All Tips for more smart tech tips.